Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of food and drink. Today, we're delving into the rich and delicious world of French cuisine. In this episode, we'll be exploring French gastronomy, the art of French cuisine. French cuisine is renowned for its unique techniques, flavors, and ingredients. From delicate sauces to perfectly cooked meats, French gastronomy is a true art form. So let's dive in and discover the secrets of French cuisine. One of the hallmarks of French gastronomy is the attention to detail in preparation. Whether it's a simple dish like ratatouille, or a more complex dish like bouillabaisse, every element is carefully considered to create a harmonious and delicious final product. The French also have a deep appreciation for fresh, local ingredients. Visiting a French market is a sensory experience, with vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and a wide variety of fresh produce. It's no wonder that French cuisine is known for its exceptional quality and flavor. And let's not forget about French wine. From the rich reds of Bordeaux to the crisp whites of the Loire Valley, French wine is a perfect complement to French cuisine. The French have a deep understanding of how to pair food and wine to create a truly memorable dining experience. So there you have it, the art of French gastronomy. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of French cuisine, and that it's inspired you to try some French dishes for yourself. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more delicious content.